Groovy Space, and today we are in Essendon or Airport West, Victoria 3042. We got an indoor unit. The gate is the gate is closing now. As you can see, you can park your car right in. Just once you park right in, and you just walk all the way down here to this unit here. The size of this unit is 4 meter deep, 2 meter wide, and 2.7 meter high. Follow me, I'm going to show you some of the goods here. One soap, everything to be removed, nothing to be left behind. Okay. Cutlery. A vacuum cleaner. Nothing is tested. One soap, everything to be removed, nothing to be left behind. Got wirings here. Okay, we're gonna go in and I'm gonna show you what's on the stuff here. There is a couch here. It looks like it's a 2-piece 5-seater, red in color. There's 2 leather here. Okay, one is a tall one and one is those folding one, which can be stretched out. We got 2 washing machine here. I noted that one of the brand here is a Bosch. You can see, and the other one I can't tell you what's the brand. On top of it, right at the back, you see is a LG LG fridge. It has also a fridge ice dispenser, but it appears the fridge is it's been stripped apart. You can see them here. Have a look at the photo as well. It may or may not be working, I have no idea. Okay, there's small parts of the fridge, I believe. And there's a cupboard here. Have a look at the photo. There's not much inside there in the cupboard. I think this is a coffee table. Okay, some weights. I think this is a bed, part of a bed frame. There's no mattress that can be seen. All the rest of the cushion here. Okay. There is a workshop jockey chair. That's what they call it. Okay. Oh, and there's also a Technica microwave, and there's a weighing scale inside there. Cutlery in this box, not a shoe, not a pair of shoe. Okay, we're gonna go out. Okay, one more ladder, and I'm not sure what is this. Have a good look. Centaur Series 600. Okay, here's the rest of the stuff. Okay, we're gonna start from here. Tennis racket. I believe this is a painter. So the tools looks like and there's a towel cutter here. And the brand is Sigma. Okay, we got some motorcycle gear here. So, 2 helmet. Some tools here, hand tools here. Ryobi radio, sender, Ryobi sender again. This is Ryobi drill sure what brand is this. Okay, our hand tools here. Vacuum cleaner. Another sander, and this is a nail gun. Okay, and we got a GMC air compressor. Once again, this is in Essendon or Airport West, Victoria 3042. One, so everything to be removed, nothing to be left behind, nothing is tested, and there's a $250 cash deposit. Once you remove everything, we'll refund you back the $250 cash deposit. Thank you for watching.